Okay, so this is Shehan. We did a kitchen and a few bathrooms for him. So hi Shehan. So a few questions about
Yeah.
the renovation.
Sure.
So why did you choose Nelcos and vinyl refinishing in general?
We were sort of looking to renovate the kitchen and the bathroom cupboards, so we were wondering whether we should change the cupboards altogether. And then we came across your company on Instagram. My wife came across a company. So it was kind of interesting to see what you guys were offering, because it was cost friendly as well, because in order for us to replace everything, we'd have to remove it, as opposed to what you guys are offering, a bit of architectural film, and it looked quite appealing as well, because we haven't come across that as before. So having looked at your reviews and the videos and the previous projects, then we visited your office in Burnaby as well.
So what about the process? Did you find it like quiet, clean, or maybe the opposite?
Yeah, no, it was perfect, because we had to go to your office in Burnaby just to check out the physical material, and then beyond that, Diana was extremely helpful. It was easy to coordinate with her. Communication was very easy. Emails was going up and down. There was no delay in the responses as well. And as far as the installation process is concerned, Eugene did an amazing job. He came on time and everything was perfect, very quiet, very polite. All of you guys were amazing, very friendly and very nice. It was very easy to work with, so I have no complaints.
Okay, and about the final result, do you feel like it's what you wanted? Like, do you find this marble like so it feels and it looks like marble when
Yeah,
silver?
it's actually perfect, because we had a couple of friends over and they were amazed by the change. They actually thought that it was removed and fixed when we told them that nothing was removed, it was just done on top, and they couldn't believe as to how neatly the job was done. It actually looks like marble, but they didn't believe it. So if we don't tell anyone, they actually might believe it's actually marble, because that's the kind of effect it gives, right? I mean, and we love the finish of the cupboards as well. It doesn't look as if something's been pasted on it. It's as if it's been painted on.
Yeah, right. Thank you so much.
No worries.